All right, NMC, this is the video to randomize our jersey numbers for tonight's break number one, which is, I think I put NFL jersey. I think that's one of the Hall of Fame jerseys. Yep. Let me change that. That is one of the Hall of Fame jerseys. That is not one of the NFL jerseys. So let me change that real quick. Hall of Fame. All right, there we go. There is our 10 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whatever number pops up in front of your name is your jersey number for this break. So we'll check the time, August 7th at 7:34 p.m. We're going to go over to the break and type live. And we have August 7th at 7:34 p.m. Again, there's our 10 entries. So we're just going to randomize your names. You need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 8. All right, 8 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So there's the jersey number list. We will get the jersey number list posted. You guys can trade numbers if you like. And we'll see you in about a half an hour for the break.